It's the 4th of October 2016. It's 7:46 a.m. CET time. Mr. Price action here. What we are gonna to do, I'm gonna to present the potential opportunity on some British crosses. All right. As our title suggests, the question is the pound squeeze, short squeeze coming? We'll see. We'll try to check. And as I mentioned yesterday on Twitter, we like shorts on Euro Pound and we like longs on Pound Aussie, but no doubt we have to mention Pound USD as well. So let's start. It's our weekly tech overview and we are discussing British pound crosses. Alright, let's start with a monthly Euro Pound chart. That's gonna be brief description. All details you're going to be able to find on our Twitter account, as I'm going to make an update as they will develop. So let's have a look. Monthly, we are approaching the supply zone. Actually since yesterday we are testing this supply here around 87.20, 87.40. All right, so that's how it looks on a monthly chart. On a daily chart, we do have, that's gonna be important as well, we do have this rising channel here, guys, as you can see. All right, we respect 87.40 right now. Okay, so because of this supply on monthly chart, because of these developments on daily chart here, I'm gonna to try to trade short side, intraday short side on Euro British Pound. But I would like to share with you my trading plan. All right, so let's switch to 1 hour chart. Let's start here, and right now we are trying to consolidate yesterday move. All right, here in between 87.40, 45 and 87.10, 15. All right, and the bottom of this consolidation is related here to the left side, to this swing high here, previous swing high here. All right, so right now I'm watching the developments here on this chart. Okay, and there are two possibilities. As we are waiting for UK PMI, if we are gonna to get weaker number, we may see another Euro Pound rally. All right, and I would like to, in that case, I would like to see some failure at the upside, and that could be my selling opportunity. Of course, based on what can I see on the monthly and daily chart, I'm gonna to trade, as I mentioned, on a intraday basis. So of course my first target is gonna be the yesterday opening gap. All right, so something around 86.80, 86.70. That's gonna be my first target. So that's the first scenario. If that's gonna happen, I do expect that this gap during the first attempt is gonna to work as a good support, so we may see some kind of the bounce, and I do expect a retest of this broken channel on daily. That's the bottom of the channel, right? That's the bottom of the channel. So I do expect retest and another failure here, and then stronger sell-off. Another possible scenario, we are gonna to get very good UK PMI. We are gonna to test this gap immediately. All right. Then I'm gonna to wait for some kind of the rally from this possible demand based on this gap. All right, and again rally back, retest of the broken channel, retest of the high of this previous swing high. That could be short opportunity. All right. One more thing, if we are gonna to get a weak UK PMI today, tomorrow, right, then we may see stronger rally. We are not gonna see the failure as I mentioned before. We may see some kind of the pullback to retest this broken consolidation, and we may see rally higher. So then let's get back to daily. Then we are gonna to have 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna be my next level to sell within this possible supply zone on monthly chart. So you know the red color represents what's going on monthly chart on my charts, right? The red color. So again, 1, 2, 3. In any case of the further pound weakness, I'm gonna wait for 88 plus, and that's gonna be my another selling opportunity. Top of the channel, 1, 2, 3 on daily chart. All right. So that's how we see euro pound. All right. As I mentioned yesterday on Twitter, we also like pound Aussie. RBA, no change, just for your information. Okay. And here is a little bit tougher in my opinion. We may start to see some kind of the rally short covering right from here, or we may also see a little bit further move to the downside towards 63 and rally from here. So what I'm looking for on a shorter time frame, all right, it's some kind of the reversal, and I'm going to, again, the same as with euro pound, I'm gonna to use monthly chart, daily chart to try to trade intraday price action. All right, so here on 1 hour chart we do have downtrend channel, right? And what I would like to see is either a little bit of the breakout, some kind of the pullback to retest broken channel, maybe with lower low, and then some kind of the reversal here on a 1 hour chart, maybe smaller time frame, and then rally at least towards 69. All right. So as of now, we are talking about possible short squeeze. So we would like to use intraday charts to trade the intraday price action, to try to take the advantage of. I'm not saying that we are gonna to finish today or tomorrow. We are gonna to finish British pound downtrend right now. I'm not trying to catch falling knife medium term. All right, that's quite important, guys. Okay. But I do think that the risk reward with this setups is gonna be, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on our side. And as I mentioned, that the brief description what I'm looking for on the British pound crosses, right? More updates on our Twitter channel, all right? And finally, pound USD. I'm not saying that I would like to trade here, but using pound USD chart, I may decide if it's right time to trade pound Aussie or euro pound. All right, and here really, if we wanna see short squeeze, it's time to start right now. Okay, and the first light in the tunnel is gonna be the breakout, intraday breakout above 28.50, 28.75. Okay, so bear in mind with those levels. So that was our weekly tech overview. We focused on pound. We are looking for short squeeze, and especially we like longs on euro pound Aussie and shorts on euro pound. Here is Mr. Price Action. Thank you very much for your time.